Hello my friend, welcome to this video.
Before we start, if video content was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. Thank you.
Today we are talking about workspaces in the Blender. Workspaces are predefined window layout that each of which has its own layout. This is workspace. There is a shortcut for switch. Hold Ctrl and press page up and page down. And for change the workspace, you can use this editor type. And for add workspace, you can use this button, plus. If you want to save your workspace, then you need to come here, File menu, the default, and save a startup file. Or for reset a workspace, you click on Load Factory Setting. Every workspace has own context menu. With right click. And you can have own context menu. How to create this? Just see, set origin, right click and add to quick favorites. And how to access this menu. Press Q. For every workspace you can have it. Another thing is area in the Blender. Two ways you can create. First, you drag here, you see your cursor, change the plus, and lead your drag. This is for join a layout together. Another way is right click on this area for full screen of this. You need put mouse over every layout and press Ctrl space. For join this, right click and join. Here, this join to this. And for swap together, right click here and swap. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, like the video and leave a comment. And thank you and goodbye.